Okay, welcome back to BAS 121, Chapter 12. So we're talking about association. So I've opened up the PC purchase database, and here's where they have, again, one or zero, whether they purchased it, and what kind of processor they purchased, what kind of screen size they purchased, what kind of memory, what kind of hard drive. And what we're trying to determine is if they purchase a certain kind of processor, does it influence the screen size? Or does it influence the memory or the hard drive? So this is particularly applicable if a purchaser's online. People that bought the i5 tended to want this screen. So you have cross-selling, upselling, all sorts of opportunities. Now, um, this association I think you're going to like because I'm going to highlight the data. And then I'm going to say associate within our Excel miner again. I'll show you Excel miner, associate. And I say association rules. And it says the worksheet. We've defined our spreadsheet, the number of rows. Data in binary matrix, that's true. Let's see, support transactions 7 and confidence interval of 50%. And we hit enter, and this is kind of neat. I think you're going to like this. Gives us the basic data there. If we move our cursor, notice it's automatically sorted the data. Oh, come on here. It's automatically sorted our data by the highest lift ratios, which these lift ratios aren't as strong as some of the ones I had seen earlier, but that's okay. Wait a minute, that's because I'm not at the top of my data set. Okay, this is better. I think slide over here. There we go. Now I got the number one lift rater is 2.6, so more than twice as likely. Sorry I have to keep sliding this, but it's a rather big file. Now what's neat about this is if you highlight this, it tells you all the information, the confidence level, if a 12-inch. So this is my if this, the consequences of this, and you can see all the different relationships, and you can hover over this, and you can see if an Intel 4 gig is purchased, it implies that the 300G is also purchased. Gives you the confidence level, and it also gives you over here to the right the degree of lift that's provided. And the lift is the conditional probability, the increased amount of the conditional probability versus the probability of it normally happening. Powerful stuff, particularly if you have that market basket information. It automatically gives this to you. Took a whole second to calculate. And very powerful for a company to use. So that's an example of the association rules.